Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're at the Indian Trail Palisades. I tell you what, this place has gotten packed, but it is such a great place to hike here in Atlanta. One of my favorite places, so let's keep moving. So we got Lolly with me today. She decided to take a hike with me. Anyway, it's a beautiful Labor Day. Very chill, very nice temperatures, but I tell you, we aren't the only ones that had this idea to come to Indian Trail Palisades. Pulling up here, they have revised the parking restrictions, so make sure you get here early because parking is extremely limited and it can jam up pretty bad. In fact, we almost saw a truck hit a couple cars, right?
Yep.
Yep. All right, let's keep moving. Okay, so we are making our way down to the river, and then we're going to loop back alongside the Chattahoochee River, back up to the Overlook, and then down to the magical bamboo forest. Now, I've covered this place multiple times, but I like to come back and shoot it in different settings, as well as different types of weather, as well as seasons. As you see, there's a lot of greenery out here. Looks completely different than obviously in the winter when all the leaves are off the tree, but it just gives you a different perspective of great in-town hikes in the surrounding Atlanta area. Okay, so as you come up to the first marker, if you take a right, you're going to see some rocky boulder cliffs and such. It's a nice little trail, but we're going to head down this way, going straight towards the river. Now, if you're paying attention to the terrain, this is not necessarily easy terrain to navigate. So I definitely would recommend wearing the right footwear, but also watch your step. Okay, so if you cross this bridge, it's going to take you over to Whitewater Creek, but today we're going to take a right and just loop down along the Chattahoochee River. So all along the river have these little areas where you can get out and explore. Again, over in this area is what they call Whitewater Creek. Across the way is actually Pace's Mill. We'll cover that in a future video as well. But again, just nice little lush areas where you can hang out along the river. It's pretty cool. So the temperatures right now, again, this is Labor Day, so this is September 7th, 2020. Temperatures around 60, 62 degrees. It is very comfortable. The change of season is right around the corner. Cannot wait. It is definitely camping season. Again, this is just a really pleasant hike. Very easy terrain once you get down to the main areas along the river. So after you walk along the river for a little bit, it starts to veer over to the right, and you'll get to this area that we're coming up on. Some great places to hang a hammock, one of my favorite places. Just to relax and take it all in. Very cool. So this is one of my favorite places to hang a hammock. Obviously right here, you've got a great spot just to hang out and chill. Let's go ahead and put the hammock up. So as you can see, we've got our hammocks hung up now. Lolly's just chilling. Awesome, right by the river. Cannot go wrong here, I'm telling you, it's just beautiful. Okay, so we just got done chilling out in the hammocks. A nice little peaceful area. So from here, the incline goes up and up and up. And there's a nice little overlook. I'll make sure I put some links in the video if you've not seen it in multiple seasons. It's a beautiful view. Let's keep. So as you can see, all this terrain is just covered in leaves and so forth. Just a few months, this will look completely different. So there's about 5 or so miles plus of trails that connect out here, so you can shorten or make your hike a little longer depending on how you want to hike this area. It's a great place to check out though, but again, extremely packed, more so than I've ever seen it before. So that's a pretty good incline, at least okay, so this is part 3 in the series of in-town hikes around the Atlanta area. Best places to hike, definitely stay tuned, lots more to come. Okay, so we've been going straight for a little bit. The incline leveled out. Once you get to this marker, you want to take a left. It takes you down to the Overlook, and then continue on to the bamboo forest if you like. Lots of trails to choose from. Okay, so we just left the Overlook. We're making our way back towards one of the trailheads, I guess towards the main area. There's some areas that we could choose from. So if you wanted to continue down to the bamboo forest, you would take a left here, but instead we're gonna take a right. We're gonna circle back up to the loop. It's going to direct us back to the trailhead. If you want to see the Indian Trail bamboo forest, I'll put a link in the video above. Okay, so as you get up to the marker, you're gonna want to take a left. All right, so we're coming up to the trailhead nearest the entrance. A little bit of a walk back to the parking lot, so not too bad. Okay, so it's pretty much road walking back to the main trailhead. So instead of showing the road, I'm just go ahead and teleport to there. All right, so we're back at the main trailhead parking lot. It's been only about 3 miles today or so. Great day hike here at Indian Trail Palisades. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments. I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.